Hello and welcome to another edition of Cybrary Week in Review. In this week's episode, we will be giving you an inside look on 3 of our newest courses. I'm Thor and today is June 21st. Let's get started. Coming up first this week, we have our SOC course. In this intermediate lesson, Isaac will guide viewers on how to effectively secure information systems to help mitigate risks due to cyber threats. As you learn, you'll get to practice your skills using both the CompTIA and OpenVAS labs. Next, we have Ken Underhill's HIPAA course. This beginner course will teach you the basics of the HIPAA security and privacy rules. You will also get an overview of malware threats as well as hands-on experience using the super cool SRA tool. For our final highlighted course of the week, make sure to check out Creating Effective User Awareness Training by Steve Dance. The aim of this course is to provide InfoSec professionals with the framework to develop, deliver, and manage end-user awareness and vigilance across the enterprise. Before we go, we want to make sure that you are aware of our new Interview Mocha assessments, which include AWS, Python, and Splunk. This is an easy way to test your knowledge to see how much you've learned on the Cybrary site. Thank you all for watching and make sure to tune in next week for another edition of Cybrary Week in Review. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And as always, remember to like and subscribe.